Hey everybody, so I got a new air purifier. This one was sent over to me to review. This is the Dayette, I think it's how it's pronounced. And this one, I've been using it all day and it works really, really well. Take a look at the number now. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and get a candle going. That way I can get some stuff into the air, give you a demonstration of it working here in just a moment. Also, these electric lighters are awesome for candles. All right, so this should trigger a little bit. It will really do it once we blow it out. Now this one is rated for a pretty large area. It has 4-stage filtration. This whole bottom unit is a filter. I'll show you that here. And you just have to open it up, take that plastic off. Now this only uses 48 watts of power, so not a whole lot. Now this one is also an automatic, so you can place it on automatic mode, and as it detects things in the air, it will automatically kick up the speeds and everything for you. Also, there are colors. So it looks like we're at 30 now. Blue is good, green is getting a little iffier, and then you got your orange, and then you got your red. So there are several speeds on it. Also, this does have a remote control. So I'll go ahead and show you the fan speeds. So right now, we're gonna kick it on to just the regular, the lowest. And then if we do one more, and then there's gonna be the turbo. Give you an idea how loud this is as well on the full speed. Now, I never hear this one go on full speed unless like I blow out the candle and there's a bunch of stuff in the air. Now there is a nighttime mode as well. You could use that. It's going to shut off the display for those that are sensitive to lights at night. And it's going to really slow it down where you can't really hear it. Also, there is a timer. You could do a timer. You can set it from 1 hour all the way up to 12 hours. So if you wanted to run for 8 hours and then automatically stop, you could do that. And this is rated to filter down to 0.1 microns. Anyway, let's go ahead and blow out that candle and I'll show you the auto mode. Now that I have it back on auto, I'm gonna go ahead and blow out the candle and we'll watch it in action. Now you got that nice bit of smoke there. All right, so I blew out the candle and that really triggered it to take off. That burst of smoke that hit it, it just went crazy. So it turned red, it went to turbo mode. It shows that we're 142. It's starting to go down now that that candle's burnt out and that smoke is dissipating. So it is going down very quickly. So yeah, it's cleaning it up really quick. The fan just slowed down a little bit. Now we're on orange. Within a couple of minutes, it is dropping and it will continue to drop. All right, so compared to a lot of my other air purifiers, this one works really well. I would put this right up there towards the top, towards like my Dreo and my Govee. If you are looking for a pretty good air purifier for a large space and you want it to have auto mode, definitely give this one a consideration. It works pretty well.